All right, IQ English, International Queen's English Dialect. We're looking at lesson 16. We will be talking about hot and cold, did and did not, so positive and negative. This, things that are close, and that, things that are farther away. Here, something close to you, and there, something farther away. Before and after things take place. Let's get started. Well, having a little trouble here. Let's see what the problem is. There we go. Okay, we're talking now about hot, and cold. Cold. This C makes a K sound often in English. Cold, hot. You should repeat those words. Here's a question. We'll have a little dialogue. Will it be hot or cold tomorrow? Hot or cold? Hey, who are we talking to today? Let's listen.
It will be hot tomorrow.
Oh, that's Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Say that again.
It will be hot tomorrow.
Oh, it will be hot tomorrow. Let me make sure we have our volume up enough to hear Rosie. I'll try to play it one more time.
It will be hot tomorrow.
Oh, that's better. Now we hear you better, Rosie. Let's go on to the next slide. Hot. Rosie says it will be hot tomorrow.
It will be hot tomorrow.
Hey, Rosie, do you like hot coffee or cold juice for breakfast? Hot coffee or cold juice?
I like cold juice for breakfast.
Oh, Rosie likes cold juice for breakfast. In traditional English, we would say Rosie likes with an S. But in the International Queen's English dialect, we can speak more simply. We can just say, I like cold juice, or Rosie like cold juice. It's very common to hear that in Queen's English. She likes cold juice. Let's ask her this question. Will it be hot or cold at the beach today? Oh, will it be hot or cold at the beach today, Rosie?
It will be hot at the beach today.
Oh, that's nice. It will be hot at the beach today. Let's listen again.
It will be hot at the beach today.
Yeah, that's a very American accent that Rosie has. I like this sailboat at the beach. I think it will be hot at the beach today. That's also something we could say. Rosie said, it will be hot at the beach today. Well, we're not sure, so we can also say, I think it will be hot at the beach today, because we cannot predict the future exactly. Now, in our last lessons, we've talked about an easy past and a difficult past. So we'll just review that quickly. I did eat. With the easy past tense, we just put the word did in front of any verb. I did eat, I did drink, I did want, I did write, I did like. Because the traditional English is more difficult, then we have to memorize these irregular past tense verbs. I ate cheese. You drank water. I drank water. He drank milk. See, that's more difficult to memorize. Ate, drank, wanted, wrote, and liked. So we can always put did in front of any of those words. We did want an egg. You did write a letter. They did like coffee. We're going to review that as we go through our lesson today. Let's look at some sentences. I did eat an apple yesterday. Or, traditional English, I ate an apple yesterday. You did drink milk yesterday. You drank milk yesterday. She did eat an egg this morning. See, that is so easy to speak International Queen's English dialect. That's easier than saying she ate an egg this morning. We did want to eat food, but there was nothing to eat. We wanted to eat food, but there was nothing to eat. They did eat nothing, or they ate nothing. So if you want to learn all of the more than 500 irregular verbs in standard English, you can do that. No one will mind, but it's not necessary. In International Queen's English dialect, you can just use the word did to create the past tense of any verb. Let's look at a few more. I did speak Spanish in Spain. I spoke Spanish in Spain. You did speak Nepali in Nepal. You spoke Nepali in Nepal. I did like fish before. I liked fish before. I did do my homework. I did my work. It's interesting that the irregular past is the same as what we are using for an easy past tense. All right, let's have another conversation with someone. Did you like the food?
Yes, I did like the food.
Again?
Yes, I did like the food.
Oh, that's good. What if you use standard English? What would it sound like?
Yes, I like the food.
You can tell there's not much difference. So again, I would recommend that we just use the International Queen's English. Yes, I did like the food. Did she eat a banana yesterday?
Yes, she did eat a banana yesterday.
That sounds fine to me. Let's hear it again. That's International Queen's English.
Yes, she did eat a banana yesterday.
Sounds perfectly understandable to any English speaker. She ate a banana? See, that's another thing we can do is we can form a question in English by just using the verb. Now here I'm using traditional English. She ate a banana, but I also could say, she did eat a banana? And we make it a question by raising our voice on the last word of the sentence. She ate a banana? She did eat a banana? That forms a question.
Yes, she ate a banana.
Well, did we eat fruit yesterday?
No, we did not eat fruit yesterday.
Oh, hi, that's Billy Joy. How are you today, Billy Joy? I hope you're fine. Could you answer that question again? Did we eat fruit yesterday, Billy?
No, we did not eat fruit yesterday.
See, Billy used the International Queen's English. No, we did not eat fruit yesterday because eat is in the basic format. He put did and then a negative. No, we did not eat fruit yesterday.
No, we did not eat fruit yesterday.
Now I'm using the interrogative that we learned a few lessons back. Why? Why did we not eat fruit? And this is the Queen's English spelling of the word fruit, which is much more phonetic. Why did we not eat fruit?
We did not want to eat fruit.
Oh, now look what Billy does. He has actually 3 verbs in this sentence. Did, which is the past helping verb. Not, a negative. And then he has want, to eat. We did not want to eat fruit.
We did not want to eat fruit.
Oh, they didn't want to eat fruit. That's why we did not eat fruit, because we did not want to eat fruit. Did they drink anything?
No, they did not drink anything.
See, again, he's using International Queen's English dialect because he just uses the word did and then the base form of drink, not the irregular drank. Now he could say that also.
They drank nothing. They drank nothing.
But I like it where he uses International Queen's English.
No, they did not drink anything.
They did not drink anything. That's good. Thank you, Billy. Now we're going to look at this, that, here, there, before, and after. Well, this is a word that we use to describe something that is close to us. For example, this car, or this pencil in my hand, or this desk that we are working on, or this computer. That talks about something that is farther away. That car. Now it would be across the street or in a different location. Here is also something that is close to us, and there is something far away. Before is a word we use to talk about an action that took place before another action, which takes place after. Before and after. Let's look at some examples. This is my pencil. Now here we're also looking at the possessive. A few lessons ago we talked about possessives. Now we're talking about this article that brings the possessive object close to us, and then we're talking about a pencil. This is my pencil. That is your pencil. Here we have International Queen's English, an easy spelling of your, and here is the traditional spelling that you will see written, or you may see in text messages. My red car is here. The car is close to us. Your green car is there. Or sometimes we will say over there. Your green car is over there when it's farther away. We eat rice before we eat fruit. So maybe we eat rice at 12 o'clock and then fruit at 1 o'clock. So the rice is before the fruit. We eat rice before we eat fruit. They drink tea after their meal. Remember that after was later and before was earlier. Let's go back to that. They drink tea after their meal. And meal is a word that we learned a few lessons ago. And it's the word we use for food that we eat. Breakfast is a meal, lunch is a meal, and supper or dinner is a meal. This is our food, so it's close to us. This is our food, and we have the possessive our that we're reviewing. And that is your food. Now that would be farther away. The food would be over here. This is my house, if it's close to us, and that is their house. Now, there is a difficult word in English, and we have not yet chosen an easier word for the Queen's English International Dialect. So we'll have to get used to this word, their house. It's a possessive word meaning the house that belongs to them or they. They live in their house. And this is an International Queen's English spelling of the word house. It has no E at the end because the E is silent. And that's the end of lesson 16. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new.